This is not another hair video. This is me not being prepared because what just happened was basically... For those of you who haven't seen my hair recently, this is my hair currently. So as you guys know, I did a terrible job cutting my hair. This is pretty much what I have done to my hair, and yeah, it's pretty faded. It was doing a lot worse, but now it's doing a lot better, so I'm pretty glad. So it's magically grown back, and I'm pretty happy about that. So today I'm going to be bleaching my hair. It's gonna be pretty freaking cool. I got purple hair. Actually, this is pink hair right now, but yeah, it faded. It took like 2 months to fade, so that's pretty good hair dye, I would say. So yeah, Tori will be assisting me today, and it's gonna be great. I'm pretty excited to get my hair dyed again. I have been wearing wigs. This is one of my favorite recent wigs I've been wearing. As you can see, it is so pretty. It's my favorite wig I've ever owned. The only wig I've ever owned, but it's still a really nice little wig. It's blue. So yeah, pretty cool wig. So I actually cut that one myself, and I didn't do a terrible job on that one, unlike last time. Yeah. All right, so here we go. This is it. I'm going to bleach my hair, and we'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I'm going to change the color. We'll see if I'm going to go a different color. If you guys are worried, comment down below that you're worried and stuff, because yeah, that's fun to know. If my hair dyes, I'll just cut all my hair off and you guys can see my next wig. So yeah. It's gonna be fun. All right, here we go. So this is how you mix the dye. Wait, no. The bleach. This is how you mix the bleach. If you don't know how to mix bleach, ask your parents. I'm just kidding, do it yourself and ruin your hair like me. Okay, we use this bleach right here, which you'll never...
I'll show the other side.
We use this bleach right here. It's really, really dusty. Okay, so we're mixing shampoo with our bleach because we don't want to dye too hard. Do you guys think, okay, let me just ask all of you hairstylists, do you guys think that this hair is looking great right now? Do you really think this is perfect? How do they say it in this? They say like some really weird words.
I'm okay. Not gonna keep a hair salon in a good while.
Tori, you're not a salon. You're not a hairstylist.
I'm not a cosmetologist. Shirt-wise, is this your bleach shirt?
Yeah, this is my bleach shirt. Okay. It's already got bleach on the back, maybe? Can you guys see?
A little bit. I think
it's got some right there, yeah.
I just wanted to make sure before I started.
Yeah. So, we got a lot of bleach. We've got a lot of hair, too. I've got a lot of hair. So.
Not bad. It's all mainly short.
Yeah.
Here, look all the way down.
I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail.
And I'm doing all of it, right?
Yeah, all of the hair.
Okay.
I might get a ponytail. I should get a ponytail as a haircut. Is that a haircut or is that just like
that's just a hairstyle?
That's like a who cares kind of thing.
Yeah, that's like a last minute out of the door late.
So do you judge people if they have a ponytail?
I would have a ponytail every day if I could. But my hair's too short. I can't really do it. The
only thing I could probably do is maybe space buns and
yeah. We could do space buns on you one day.
You should do space buns on your boyfriend.
Oh my god, Bobby would look so cute with space buns. I might have to wait for his hair to grow out just a little bit.
Wow, you sped through all of this. Well, I actually did speed through all of this because, I mean, do you really want to sit here and listen to me talk? I look so emo right now. My hair is in my face. It looks really, really sad. It feels like I have another wig on right now. This is not another hair video. This is me not being prepared because what just happened was basically what just happened is I don't have enough bleach to bleach my hair. So I look like I have a hat on right now. This is literally me right now. And yeah, it's actually really sad. I wish I had more hair dye, but I don't. So yeah, this is what we got. I'm really excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get some bleach tomorrow and finish my hair because yeah, this is not gonna look good. If you guys use bleach, make sure you have more than one bag so you don't have half a head of blonde. Hey! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, wow. So I am wearing my wig again. As you guys know, it looks great. And yeah, I am just terrified of the reaction, but who cares? We're gonna show my hair off. Anyways, as you know in the previous video, I destroyed my hair. I cut it off and yeah, it grew back. And that's a great thing. My hair grew back. But the problem here now is I bleached my hair and we didn't have enough bleach to really finish the job. So I didn't finish my hair and it looks bad, but I just wanted to show you. Yeah, it looks really bad. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take my first layer off for you. 3, 2, 1. So you're probably thinking, that's your wig. This is my freaking wig. But I'm about to snatch this wig off and you guys are gonna see how it turned out. Are you ready? This looks really bad. I really don't know if you're ready for this. This hair looks pretty bad. Honestly, I really hope we get to finish it. I think we can. You guys can see our hair skills and stuff and see what we do with my hair and how we ruin it even more. If you guys think I should dye my hair with some food, comment down below and let me know what kind of food I should dye my hair with, because that would be a great idea. I'd love to do a video like that. That'd be a lot of That would be a lot of fun. So here we go. We're gonna snatch this wig off in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I had to put the wig back on. I didn't snatch it off right that time. When you snatch somebody's wig off, you're supposed to snatch off the whole thing. All right, this time for real, I'm gonna snatch this wig off. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. As you guys can see, I'm a rapper. So this is what we got. Looks pretty good, I know. Thank you. Comment down below, should I keep going or just keep my hair like this, or should I cut all my hair off? Let me know. I really like the idea of cutting all my hair off, especially the parts that are just a mess. I know a lot of you have probably been in this situation before. I mean, everyone bleaches half their head. I mean, I don't feel like I'm, you know, that's a normal thing, right? Am I a grape with cheese on it? It looks like I have a wig on my head, like a blonde wig. I'm gonna shake my head and see if it just falls off. Okay. Should I keep this or should I just like, I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute video. I will be doing more where I show what happens to my hair and what is the future of my hair. Will it get better or will it get worse? You'll find out in the next Sebastian Meepz. Here's Ross Amber. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sebastian Meepz!